Welcome to my channel, Purposeful Play, where I talk about all things early childhood education. I'm Danielle, and just a quick video today about felt stories. I love them, and I want to share them with you. So let's get started. I love felt stories. I love singing songs. I love sharing them with children. I love seeing them interact with them. I love making them. Did I already say I love making them? So what I've done is I've actually made some that I just opened an Etsy shop. Or started an Etsy shop. So I wanted to share that with you guys in case you wanted some of my creations. So one of the first ones, I currently just have 3 there. And I'm working on another one. I've just kind of been puttering away at these ones. So one of them is hunting we will go, hunting we will go. We'll catch a snake and put it in a cake, and then we'll let them go. And there's a bunch of rhyming words or rhyming little objects. Like there's a bee and a tree. There's a mouse in a house. So that's one of them. And then the other one is little mouse, are you hiding behind the purple house? And then there's a little mouse behind there. Comes with a bunch of little houses. I think I just have the colors of the rainbow. And a little mouse. That's the second one. And then the third one is, it's not put together, and you can kind of, I'll just show the bits to you. But it's go away big green monster. Go away, big green monster. I don't know why that doesn't sound right. Big scary green monster. That's this one. Super easy little pieces that the children can read the book and retell and take off all the pieces and add them on. And then the next one I'm working on is Redbird, what do you see? So I just started cutting these ones out, and I'll have that one ready really soon. So I hope you guys enjoy those. If you want to see what I do with all my felt pieces, I'll put down below in the description area some of my favorite felt stories. And I think I actually have a video on how to make your own felt pieces. If you have questions on how to make yours, ask me. If you want to have a look at the ones that I have in my Etsy shop, which is PKPurposefulPlay, go check that out. I'll put the link in the description area down below. And I think also a link to me kind of sharing some of my favorites. So as always, I really appreciate you guys watching and supporting. And that's it. Super quick video just to say, hey, come check out my felt stories. Have a happy day.